Built in 1963, this home had a lifetime of memories frozen in time. For decades, it belonged to a single homeowner who kept everything completely original. But when a young couple bought it as their first home, it was time for a new chapter. Taking a house from 1963 and bringing it to the modern era isn't just cosmetic, it's surgical. We started by tearing down the walls to open up the footprint, which required major structural engineering. The floors were completely uneven, so we poured and leveled the entire foundation. Behind the walls, we replaced outdated plumbing, rewired the electrical, and installed a brand new HVAC system to ensure this house runs perfectly for the next 50 years. Our clients wanted a home that matched their energy, so they completely relocated the kitchen to become the heart of the home. We added a stunning bifold door to seamlessly blend indoor living with the outdoors. Every bathroom was reimagined from scratch. We even carved out space for a dedicated laundry room and a modern home office. From fresh paint to new flooring throughout, every square inch got a fresh start. Buying your first home is a massive milestone. Turning it into your dream home, that's where we come in. Congratulations to the new homeowners. Thank you for trusting us with your vision.